If alpha and beta are the zeros of a polynomial, f of x equals px square minus 2x plus 3p and alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta, then the value of p is option A minus 2 divided by 3, option B 2 divided by 3, option C 1 divided by 3 and option D minus 1 by 3. We have f of x equals px square minus 2x plus 3p. So what will be alpha plus beta? Sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a. Here what is this is equal to minus b is the coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x here? That is minus 2. So minus 2 divided by a. A is the coefficient of x square, that is p. So we got minus 2, that is plus 2 divided by p, that is alpha plus beta. Alpha beta is equal to c divided by a. What is c? C is the constant. The constant is here 3p. So 3p divided by a is the coefficient of x square, that is p. So we got 3p divided by p. P and p cancel. We got alpha beta is equal to 3. Now we are given that alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. So alpha plus beta is 2 divided by p is equal to alpha beta. Alpha beta we got 3. 2 divided by p equal to 3. That means if you keep the 2 left side and if you take right side 3 to the left side, it will go to the denominator. So 2 divided by 3 is equal to, when the left side p on the denominator, when it goes to the right side, it will go to the numerator. So we get 2 by 3 is equal to p. That means the value of p is 2 by 3. So option B is the right answer.